Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. 3 Vocabulary. Number 1. Count on. It means to depend on someone or expect something. Examples. In a crisis, you can count on your friends for support. It's important to have a reliable partner you can count on in business. Don't worry, you can count on John to fix your computer. He's great with technology. Number 2. In the soup. It means in trouble. Examples. After losing his job, he found himself in the soup financially. The sudden economic downturn left many businesses in the soup. Being caught in a heavy rainstorm without an umbrella put her in the soup. Number 3. Pull a fast one. It means to successfully deceive someone. Examples. She tried to pull a fast one on me with a fake ID. Don't think you can pull a fast one on your boss and get away with it. Don't underestimate her, she can pull a fast one when needed. Thank you for watching this video. If it is useful, please subscribe. See you in the next video.